Working with Lotus Connections has never been so easy. Glue makes it very simple to browse connections, update your status, search for people, browse files, and work with your Twitter account. If you want to update your status with Glue, simply click your status up at the top and type your new status. If you want to post it to Connections, you just hit Enter. Now if you want to cross-post your message to Twitter, meaning you want to post a tweet as well at the same time, then you'll click the cross-post button. If you don't want to change your status and you've changed your mind, just simply click the Cancel button. If you want to comment on people's messages in Glue, you'll click the Reply button. A text box will appear giving you the option to type your message. When you're done, just hit Enter. Wherever you see a green plus icon in Connections, that gives you the capability to invite that person into your network. Simply click the green plus icon and an invitation will be sent right away. Now with Glue you have 3 different feeds you can load. The All Updates feed, your My Network feed, which is you and your colleagues, and the My Board feed, which is exactly what you would see on your own profile. When you want to browse files in Glue, all you have to do is click More and then Files. Files will show you 3 different feeds as well: Public Files, My Files, and Files Shared with Me. If you want to preview images in Glue, simply hover over the image icon and a nifty little preview window will appear. Just close it when you're done. Let's go back to the All Updates section. Again, this is everybody in your organization. These are their updates. As I scroll down to the bottom, I want to point out this More button. This More button acts just like it does on Connections website as well as Twitter. It'll indicate whether or not there's more entries to be loaded. As I click that More button, more entries will be loaded to the bottom of the window. If I want to perform profile searches in Glue, I'll click the search icon. Let's find somebody by name. Let's search for Betty Zeckman. You can see that information is returned with their profile picture as well as their phone number. Now if they have other information stored in their profile, such as building location and job title, you'll see that here as well. If you want to go to their profile, just click their picture. If you want to load their message board inside of Glue, you'll click their name. I'll show you that here in a second. Let's find somebody by tag though. Let's click Tag in the drop-down and type our tag. Let's say we're looking for somebody who's tagged themselves with the keywords Lotus and Connections. I'll just type Lotus Connections and click Enter. It's going to bring back everybody that has tagged themselves with Lotus and Connections. If you want to browse their board, just click their name. We'll load our Hans board. You can see that now we have the option to post a message right on his board at the top. Just click in the text box, type your message, and hit Enter. If you want to invite this person into your network, just click the green plus icon. Let's close this search. Let's move on to Twitter. Twitter gives you the same features and functionalities that you have on the Connections portion of Glue. You can post tweets by clicking your status up at the top, type your tweet, and click Post to Twitter. Now, since we're on the Twitter section, if you want to cross-post it back to Connections, just click the Cross-Post button. As you see, a new message just appeared for one of the people I am following. Curious Mitch just posted a message. If I want to load Curious Mitch's feed, I'll go ahead and click his name. Here's something cool I want to point out. That bar that just appeared up at the top with the green background, that's actually the sidebar color that Mitch has set for his Twitter account. With Glue, as you follow people around inside, their sidebar color will actually follow their names around, so customizations appear throughout Glue. Let's go back to my home feed here. One of the cool things I like to do in Glue is search for things. In Twitter, if you click the search icon, you could search for hashtags, names, words, whatever you want. You know what? Let's search for Lotusphere. I know there's a hashtag LS10, so I'm going to go ahead and click that and hit Enter. All the messages that include that hashtag will be returned. You can see there's dozens and dozens of messages. In Glue, you can reply to somebody's message just by hovering over it and clicking the Reply button. If you want to retweet a message, just click the Retweet message. One of the things I should point out is that throughout Glue, the feeds will update automatically every 90 seconds. If you do want to manually refresh a feed, simply click the refresh icon at the top. As you click that, it's going to refresh the current feed in your view. Now that could be anything. That could be searches, search results, that could be the feed that you're currently on, the home feed, the replies feed, the public feed, etc. So straightforward, that's Glue. There's a whole lot more to it, and I encourage you to check it out. Head on over to connectionsglue.com and download it today for your own server. In the settings, you just have to supply your connection server and hook it up with your Twitter account and start being more productive today. If you have any questions, feel free to post a tweet to us at ConnectionsGlue. Thanks for watching.